Hello and welcome to my another video. My name is Kuldeep. As you guys already know that today I will be going to show some numericals from fluid mechanics which I have taken from the online course of Made Easy, and the question are pretty much different. The one which is you have learned in a classroom courses, or if you are doing self study also. So I think that you will be encountered with so many new and beautiful concepts here. So I thought I should share this. So what I'm going to do is I will be showing you this questions only, and also I will be going to tell you the answers so you can practice yourself. And so yeah. So the first question says that for a parabolic velocity profile of flow over plate, the free stream velocity of 150 centimeter per second is occurring at 25 centimeter from the plate. Find the velocity gradient and shear stress at the distance of 15 centimeter from the plate. Take mu, which is viscosity, as 9.5 poise. So the answer you will be getting after solving this first question is the velocity gradient will be uh, 4.8 units per second, and shear stress will be 4.56 Newton per meter square. Now the second question. A general bearing has a cylindrical shaft of diameter 80 mm, rotates about its axis inside a fixed cylindrical tube of 50 centimeter length and 85 mm internal diameter. The space between the tube and the shaft is filled with the lubricating oil of viscosity 3 poise. Determine the power required to overcome viscous resistance when the shaft is rotating at 250 rpm. And when you solve this question, the answer will be the power will be 16.54 joule per second, means watt in watt. Okay. So the third question. This is my personal favorite. What is the intensity of pressure in the ocean at the depth of 1500 meter? Assuming first part. Assuming if salt water in is incompressible with omega, means rho g is given, specific gravity is given 1005050, sorry, 10050 Newton per meter cube. And the second part is when the salt water is compressible and omega is given as 10050 Newton per meter cube at free surface, assuming bulk modulus of seawater at constant is constant. uh, it should be assuming bulk modulus of seawater as constant. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Take bulk modulus of seawater is 2070 mega Newton per meter square. The answer you will be getting after solving this third question. Uh, the answer of first part is 15.075 megapascal, and the answer of second part is 15.1392 megapascal. Okay. Now the fourth question. Two pressure tube tanks are built one inside the other. A Bourdon gauge M. A Bourdon gauge M is connected to the inner tank, reads 425 kilopascal. Another Bourdon gauge N connected to the other tank reads 535 kilopascal. An aneroid barometer reads 760 mm of Hg pressure, of course. Calculate the absolute pressure at M and N in mm of Hg. Figure is given. This is the figure. Answer you will be getting after solving fourth question is absolute pressure at M is 764.01 mm of Hg, and the absolute pressure at M is 767.195 mm of Hg. Okay. Now the fifth question. Fifth question says a container having a width of 15 centimeters is filled with water. A thin wire of weight alpha and the length 9 centimeters is gently placed over water surface. If the surface tension of water is 0.073 Newton per meter and the depression in water surface is 1 centimeter, then find the weight of the wire. Surface tension का question है ये. So the answer you will be getting after solving this fifth question. Alpha means the weight of a wire is 1.736 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. So today's last questions, question number 6. Find the total hydrostatic force and the point of application of force on plate AB. Take width of a plate is as 3 meter. तो ये डायग्राम दिया हुआ है. Diagram is already given here, and this is one first fluid, water, and after this 2 meter there is another fluid, mercury, and the plate is dissolved in between both fluid. So it is 1.5 meter B2C and A2C 0.5 meter. Okay, angle is given 30 degree, angle of inclination is given 30 degree. Okay, when you solve this question, the hydrostatic force will come out to be 341 341.01 kilonewton. The point of application is comes out to be 1.33 from A, means it should be somewhere here. Okay, 1.33 from A. Okay, thanks. That's all.